Consuming a single slice of bread on a daily basis can have a variety of consequences on your health, but the extent of these effects is mostly determined by the sort of bread you consume, your diet as a whole, and some personal health variables. The following are some general things to think about. 1. Nutritional content. The nutritional impact will be different depending on the sort of bread that you are considering eating. When opposed to refined white bread, whole grain or whole wheat breads often have a greater quantity of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Intake of calories. Bread is a source of calories, and if you consume one piece of bread every day, some of those calories will be added to your total daily calorie intake. If you are attempting to keep your weight under control, it is imperative that you take into consideration the overall balance of your diet. 3. Carbs. Bread is an excellent supply of carbs, which are the primary source of energy for the body. Nevertheless, consuming an excessive amount of carbohydrates without engaging in an adequate amount of physical activity can contribute to weight gain. 4. Dietary fiber. Whole grain breads are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is an important compound for maintaining digestive health. In addition to assisting in the regulation of bowel movements, it can also contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may be beneficial in the management of weight. 5. Blood sugar. Due to the high glycemic index of refined white bread, consumed in large quantities might result in a sudden increase in blood sugar levels. Breads made with whole grains, on the other hand, have a tendency to have a lower glycemic index and can assist in maintaining stable levels of blood sugar. In spite of the fact that bread does not contain as many nutrients as other foods, it is nevertheless able to make a contribution to your overall consumption of key elements, such as minerals and B vitamins. 7. Diversification of your diet. If you just consume one kind of food, you run the risk of developing nutritional deficiencies. In order to guarantee that you are getting all of the nutrients that your body needs, it is essential to have a diet that is both varied and well-balanced. Individual differences. The dietary requirements of individuals and their reactions to food might differ from person to person. Although some people are able to tolerate or even benefit from consuming a daily serving of bread, others may have special dietary restrictions or sensitivities that prevent them from doing so. It is essential to keep in mind that this is merely a broad overview, and that when calculating the effects of ingesting one slice of bread on a daily basis, every individual's specific health objectives, dietary choices, and any pre-existing health concerns should be taken into consideration. In the event that you have particular health issues or dietary objectives, it is highly recommended that you see a healthcare practitioner or a qualified dietitian in order to receive individualized guidance.